All right, this is the tabletop fire pit by Havato. It comes with about 5 pieces. So there is a bag for carrying the thing and keeping it separated and clean from everything else. On the inside, you've got the lighter. Now this thing, it's got a ring as you see. Underneath, this is for the ash to fall into, and it makes it easier for you to clean. Here, if you look, you can see that the air can come in and help create a better fire. You put it inside, and then this part right here goes over that ring area. So I'm going to put it down there. It'll keep that ring clean, free from ash. And then finally, once you've got this thing lit, you'll put this on top. Now, on your tabletop, wherever you're at, if you look at the bottom, it's got 3 legs to help keep the surface protected. All right, so it's supposed to work with regular wood or with some pellets, I guess you could buy at the store. I just broke up these sticks. I'm gonna light it, throw it inside, light it up, and see how it burns. All right, so it's not too hot. I wouldn't touch this thing. It's advertised as smokeless, and as you can see, there's really not much smoke. I used some paper to get this thing started up, and besides the smoke that came from the paper, there's really not much that comes out of this thing. So grab yourself another stick and roast some marshmallows or something like that on here. It's a tabletop fire pit.